When we began working with the Smart Capstone program, we were wrapping up development of our MVP and preparing for our initial launch. We were in need of a business and marketing plan, and the MBA students helped put that together for us. After looking over our budget and finances, they created a multi-year financial plan along with business and marketing strategies which gave us a better understanding of our budget going forward and what to expect regarding our revenue and expenses as we grow our user base.
And I have gained new insights into every aspect of launching and running a business. We meet once a week, and the students who come from varied backgrounds and experience levels present the analysis and plans to me via Zoom.
They've helped us with competitive analysis. They've helped us with market entry, cost of various kinds, startup costs and everything else.
I would like to say thank you to Dr. Tirmani and her team of MBA students for all their help with market research, customer discovery, and product market fit. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sandrew, Professor Baruti, and all the students who worked so hard.
Thank you so much, Westlip, for including me in your SMART program.
I'd like to say thanks to all the students for their hard work and to the college and professors for selecting our company to be a part of this program.